Hi, girls!
Hi, Karen.
Hello, Karen.
Girls, it's time to decide which country we're going to travel to on the next vacation.
Yes, why do you think of Canada?
I love that country.
Yes, me too. I have always wanted to meet that country.
Yes, it's a very beautiful and interesting country.
Yes, with amazing tourist sites and beautiful landscape.
Okay, it's decided. We're going to Canada.
We must start organizing the trip.
Yes, we need to find out how much the ticket costs to Canada.
We must look at the airline that is most economical for us.
If we travel with Copa Airlines, making 2 layovers, the price is $483 per adult round trip.
It's a good option. It's not so expensive.
Yes, but we must look for other alternatives.
If we travel with Avianca Airlines, the price of the tickets is $292 per adult with only one layover round trip.
Yes, that is better option. It's cheaper.
Perfect. Now let's find a place to stay.
Let's look for a hotel that is achieved by beautiful.
I like the Hilton Toronto Hotel. It's very big, has many amenities, and it's very cheap.
Yes, I have seen photos of that hotel and it's very beautiful.
The location is perfect because it is the downtown of Toronto.
And the price of the night in that hotel is around $75.
Perfect for our budget.
Yes, and the room has a flat screen TV and large desks and a big and comfortable bed.
And the hotel too has beautiful pools, one indoor and one outdoor.
Yes, and 3 restaurants and a fitness center. It's perfect for us.
Yes. Now we must decide what kind of clothes we are going to wear.
We are going to go in December in winter season.
So, what kind of clothes should we wear?
Winter clothing, sack, as jackets, hat, gloves.
Also a scarf, its own, and snow boots.
Yes, and waterproof clothing that protect us from the cold of winter.
Yes, and several extra changes of clothes in case we decide to do some activity in the snow.
Perfect. And what kind of place are we going to visit?
We should go to CN Tower. From there you can see the whole city.
Yes, and we can eat at their amazing 316 restaurant.
We can also walk on the class floor and have an extreme experience.
Yeah, that will be incredible.
Yes, we should also go to the Royal Ontario Museum.
Yes, it's the largest natural history museum in Canada.
I love that place. It has a great collection of dinosaurs and many pieces of art from all over the world.
Yes, and of course we should go to Niagara Falls.
Yes, the place is incredibly beautiful.
Yes, we can visit the Aquarium of Niagara, which has more than 1,500 aquatic animals such as sea lions, rescue seals, sharks, and seahorses.
Yes, we can also do the excursion of the mist above and the sail through the falls.
Yes, that would be wonderful.
Yes, we must also take advantage of the winter season to ski in the snow.
We can go to Blue Mountain. It is the best place to ski.
Yes, there are many snow globes there. We had a lot of fun in that place.
Yes, and it also has amazing ice skating rinks.
Yes, and to the end of the trip, we can relax in a Scandinavian spa, from where we can see the skiers.
Yes, girls, this trip is going to be amazing.